If you have been looking for a way to provide faster shipping times, watch till the end. What is going on, everybody? Shri Kanase here, and welcome back to the best Shopify YouTube channel out there. In this video, I'm going to be introducing to you a revolutionary way to start shipping out your Aliexpress dropshipping products so that you get started with branding your Shopify store and thinking long term way before everybody else. But before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're watching one of my Shopify videos, or you've been following me for a long time but haven't subscribed yet, pause this video for about 2 seconds and smash that subscribe button down below and press that little bell notification icon so you get updates for my videos every Tuesday and Thursday, because that's when I upload. But before wasting any more time, let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, so before introducing to you the revolutionary way to achieve 7-day shipping time while drop shipping your Aliexpress products, I want to show you why it is so important that we focus on shipping times in the first place. But your customer satisfaction scores for Facebook ads can literally make or break your campaigns, and that is why it is so important that we start focusing on these things, because if you're in this for the long-term game, you're going to have to up your customer service and make sure your customers are genuinely satisfied. Otherwise, you're just going to earn a few bucks here and there and have a really difficult time keeping anything long-term. But let's go ahead and look at what this article says exactly. So as you guys know, customer satisfaction scores are something new and something you can check for your own dropshipping stores. I'll have the link for this in the description, but basically what this does is it asks your customers specific questions regarding the service they got when shopping with your website, and they can answer a range of questions starting from product quality to shipping times and shipping speed, whether they were satisfied or not. So as it says right here, if the score drops to a 2 or under, your ad cost is basically going to rise and Facebook will start charging you more as it used to before. In addition, your reach is going to get significantly lower. And worst case, if it drops to a 1 or below, as you can see, the business will not be able to advertise on the platform at all. And since we're dropshippers, it is really important that we do not drop to this level or below, and there are really higher chances for us dropping to this level since our shipping times are 12 to 22 business days. And Facebook is becoming very strict when it comes to businesses advertising on their platform, mainly because of the saturation. I mean, literally everybody wants to jump into dropshipping now since it is such a big trend going on right now. But this means that we have to be a little bit more careful when it comes to advertising on Facebook and make a little bit better decisions. One great way to do that is by lowering your shipping time, preferably to 7 days or lower. And with the app I'm about to show you, that is definitely possible. In fact, you're going to maintain your profit margins or even increase it in some cases while offering faster shipping times. Now, I've been personally using this specific service for the past few days and weeks, and so far I don't have anything but good things to say about this app. Not only has this service increased my profit margins for my main winning product, but it has also started offering 7-day shipping times, 7 to 14 on average. And what I want to do is I want to go on my own customer feedback score for my own website and show you guys what the current customer feedback score is. So as you can see right here, this is for my own website, the main niche store that I run. And over time, it has been consistently good. It was at around 3.6, then it jumped to above a 3.9 around February and March of 2019. But with the recent changes that Facebook made at the end of March, you can see that it immediately dropped to a 3.2. But on average, it is still higher than most dropshipping stores. This is because I offer exceptional customer service. I'm always having my VAs answer my customers in a timely manner, and I'm starting to use this application, which I'm about to show you. But after using this app for a few days, as you can see, my score began to climb up and up, and right now it is at a 4.1. Very soon, no doubt, it is going to go up to a 5.0. So as Facebook says right here, your score is better than most e-commerce businesses who sell products through Facebook ads. Keep it up. So this is exactly what you want to achieve with your own dropshipping stores, because the moment that your score goes below the accepted values of a 2.0 and a 1.0 according to this article, you're going to be in big trouble. So you want to avoid that. And now that we've gone over the basics on exactly why it is so important to focus on these scores, let's go ahead and go into the service I'm referring to. And the link for the service will be in the description so that you can sign up. It is completely free to sign up, and it is, in my opinion, AliExpress 2.0, only it offers much faster shipping times. But the service that I'm referring to is wiio.io. Again, the link will be in the description for this service, but this is the newest all-in-one dropshipping platform that is going to help you source literally every single product that you're selling for most of the time cheaper prices, and it is going to definitely offer 7 to 14 day shipping times on average. That is about 2 to 3 weeks faster than what AliExpress currently offers. And best part of all, this is like a dropshipping service, meaning you pay by each order. You don't have to do bulk orders or anything like that. Every time you get an order, you simply order it in this website right here, and I'll show you guys my dashboard for this website, what it looks like once you sign up. But what the owners of this application do is they source all of these products which you want shipped for you, and they ship it one by one. So again, you don't have to hire any US warehouses, you don't have to have any agents working for you or any other kinds of things, because this is the ultimate dropshipping platform that currently I'm using and benefiting. But let's go ahead and go over this specific app, exactly how it works and all of those good details. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is how it works. They have a really cool map right here describing exactly how the process works, but the first step that they do is once you sign up, they're going to start looking at the product that you have that you want to basically have them ship for you, and they're going to see if they can source it for you. 99.9% of the time they will be able to source it for you, and 90% of the times it is going to be a cheaper price than what your current AliExpress supplier offers you. Once they verify that they can indeed source for you and they double check with you that you do want to work with them, then they're going to purchase the items in bulk for you, but you don't have to pay for them upfront. They're going to purchase it for you and you're going to pay one by one. The main thing about this app is that you need to have a certain amount of orders each day coming in before you can use them, because if you're completely new, you're barely getting one order a day, this may not be the best fit for you. In that case, what I recommend is you continue using AliExpress, find your winning product, and then come over to this application. But for the rest of you, once they purchase these products for you, they're going to keep stock of this product in their warehouse, and they're going to do a thorough quality check of the products, make sure there are no defects, etc., and then they're going to start shipping based on the order details that you give them each day. So if you look over this website, they also have a cool video describing their company, exactly how it works, and their company has been running for several years and is fully verified. So there is no kind of threat or any kind of problems regarding scam, because this is a trustable website. Along with that, the best part that I like about wiio is that they also do custom product photos, meaning they will take your product photos for you and make them really high quality. They could even do custom product videos for you. In addition, they're going to, if you want to take it to the next level, do custom packaging for you. That's what I have personally done, where I've asked them to do custom packaging, meaning ship all of my products in custom logo packaging, and I have special thank you cards get sent out with each order. And I'm only doing this for branding, but if you're not at that level, you can focus on the custom product photos or the custom product videos, or you can simply just start shipping out your items, get that money coming in, and then look into branding. But the end goal that I always recommend is you do go towards branding. That is the only way you're going to build a long-term sustainable Shopify business. But along with that, this application offers a lot of other things. There's cool testimonials for all of these killers in e-com, such as Tan, Nick Peroni, and all the other good people. So it is definitely an app that is worth a try. And you can simply go through the website, just read through all of these things. But what I want to do is I want to take you to the dashboard and exactly show you how this application works. But once you do sign up and you have your store connected to this app, which is really easy by the way, all of the information is available here on this app if you need any type of help, and they have a chat button right here in case you don't understand what to do. But this is exactly how the dashboard looks. All of the sales that you get per day will be synced over here in this dashboard, and you can see all of these other cool functions, but the main ones that you can look at are the AliExpress products and the wiio products. Now these are two different options, but the wiio products are specifically those which this application offers itself. So in case you want to do some product research, they have great products here which you can try even selling on your own Shopify store. They have this button right here which is best selling products. So as you can see, not only is this a perfect drop shipping solution for faster shipping times, but it also gives you an opportunity to do extra product research and maybe find more golden winners through that way. But the AliExpress products link over here on the left is simply for you to import the product that you would like this application to source for you and add it to this website and connect it to your store. So all you have to do is simply copy and paste the link of the AliExpress link for that product which you want this company to source, and it'll be added to your My Products section right here. Now I can't go ahead and click on My Products because it shows my winning product for this dropshipping store. But once you do connect your store, you're going to see that in the left, right next to orders, it's going to say the specific amount of orders that your Shopify store currently has to fulfill. And that is where you're going to start ordering all of these products from this application right here. So the money will go directly to these people and you will order the product here instead of ordering on AliExpress. It's the same way that you used to order on AliExpress, but now you're going to be ordering through this website right here. But what I want to show you from the orders page is the shipping methods available for your product. So right here, as you can see, the first one is ePacket, but it says 7 to 25 days. And in my own experience, it's not 7 to 25. It is rather 7 to 14 days. A lot of people I personally know have also been getting their items delivered within 14 business days and closer to 7. So it is definitely a much faster option of ePacket compared to AliExpress suppliers. Along with ePacket, this company offers SF Standard Express, which again is 7 to 25 business days. Now I've personally not played around with this second shipping option here, but from people I know, I've noticed that for them ePacket is much faster than SF Standard Express. So again, ePacket may be the way to go, and this company is able to get the items delivered within 7 to 14 business days, even though for AliExpress suppliers it is 12 to 22 business days. Best part of all, this service offers you SF Express, which is 5 to 10 business days and sometimes closer to 5 at a much lower price than your AliExpress supplier. If this were on AliExpress, the express shipping fee would go from anywhere from $30 to $50. So this is definitely a really big discount for express shipping. So you have all these great shipping options at your service for a much lower discounted price. And in addition, this application offers you the product that you sell 90% of the time at a lower cost than your AliExpress supplier. So this is the best way to go if you still want to continue dropshipping and maybe not move to a US warehouse or an agent for your Shopify dropshipping store. You will still get 7 to 14 days shipping time and much more happy customers, because as we looked at the article previously, your customer satisfaction score is literally everything right now. You need to make sure that it is up to par with Facebook guidelines, otherwise you don't have a business. But when you do go on the stores page right here on the left, it is going to give you the option of connecting your store. So all you have to do to set up your store with this app is click connect to store. Once it's connected, if you go to the My Products section or the order section, you just have to click on the button which says ask for a quote. Now, since so many people are registering for this revolutionary app, they're having a little bit difficult time keeping up with the demand. So when you press ask for a quote, it could be days up to weeks before you get a quote back. So be patient. I know you're excited to start working with this app, but they've gotten a really high demand. People are just moving from AliExpress to this app, and it is a great move. But the link will be again in the description. Do check that out. But if you want to learn how to take this app and Facebook ads to make your Shopify store go to the next level, I have a Facebook ads course which I created after spending 6 figures just on Facebook ads. I've learned a lot through the process, and I've accumulated all of that knowledge inside the videos that are inside the course. The link will be in the description. It is currently 60% off just for Mother's Day and a special summer sale. It will take your Facebook ads game to the next level. Again, the link will be in the description. But if you found any type of value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button down below, and I'll see you guys next time.